What do you see on the screen? Well, it's a periscope. And what is it used for? It is used for looking at an object over an obstacle, let's say over a wall. Let us now try and understand the working principle of a periscope. A periscope basically works on the principle of multiple reflections. Let me explain. If you look carefully, you will see that the periscope consists of two plane mirrors that are fixed at each of the two bends. Now these mirrors are marked as M1 and M2. Now, when a ray of light coming from a distant object, let's say a tree, gets incident on the first mirror, that is M1, it gets reflected towards the second mirror, that is M2. Finally, the reflected ray from mirror 2 reaches the eye of the observer. So this is how the observer is able to look at the image of the tree.